Hello. So today I'm going to cover C branching in C++. So basically, the first question: what is branching? So this is just a way to make our C++ code to make choices like we do in real life. For example, if it's raining, you bring umbrella. If it's sunny, you wear sunglasses. So code does the same thing with branching tools. So let's jump right in. And first off, there are two major branching tools. The first one is using the if else, and else if. Using this for flexible choices, yes and no, or more than two options. For example, if we checking like test scored, if the score is 60 or higher, the code prints pass. Otherwise, it's gonna print fail. So that's one of the and if else in action. It's kind of very straightforward. And the second tool would be switch. Using this, usually using this only for fixed choices like numbers and letters. For example, in a foot menu, if choice one, if the choice is one, um, the code says burger, and if choice two, that means fries. So switch is a lot simpler and clearer for this simple fixed options. So we don't need to like write messy long code here. So there are also some important rules when it comes to using the branching tools. So the first one is to use a check if two values are the same, using the double equal um, mark instead of the single equal, because the single equal marks sets the value, but the double equal marks check it. So mix them up. It's basically one of the common errors. And so there's another one would be always add break in the switches. Uh, when we use switch, because break tells the code to start running after it find the right choice. Without the break, the code would just run all the extra options by accident. And the third rule would be um, wrap the code for each choice with the curly letter braces. So this tells the code exactly which line belongs to each branch. So no braces, no clear code. So that it's basically like a quick rundown in branching in C++. Thank you for watching.